All right, so I was sent this 24 pack of washing machine cleaning tablets, and I used one in my washer using the self clean feature. You can also just run a normal cycle if your machine doesn't have that option. It works both ways. I dropped one tablet straight into the drum, closed the lid, and let it run. It started fizzing and cleaning inside of the washer, especially around the drum and rubber seal. The washer smelled really clean and fresh, not like chemicals or strong perfumes, just a light, clean scent. After that, I loaded in some laundry to wash right away, and the clothes came out smelling great too. What I like is that these tablets come in a big pack, so it's enough to last about a year if you use one every couple of weeks. They're easy to use, just toss one in and let your washer do the work. Now, if your washing machine has been smelling a little musty, or you have pets like I do and want to keep things fresh, these washing machine cleaner tablets are an easy way to keep it clean without any extra effort.